Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we're carrying on with the Disney theme and we have set number 40621, Disney's Moana and Merida. This set comes with 410 pieces. Looks like it'll be fairly even across, so approximately 200 pieces per set, which makes it a reasonably long build, but I'm going to suggest that most of those parts are going to be in the hair by the looks of it. Not too sure about what else will come with this piece or this set. Be interesting to find out. So how about we get into the speed build and then come back for the review. Welcome back and thank you for hanging around. We are reviewing set number 40621, Disney's Moana and Merida. The set came with 410 pieces, a lot of detail, 45-minute build to do this. And the Brickheadz themselves, individually, they're fairly standard Brickheadz. There's not much to comment on the design at all. All the detail, so many individual pieces on both head pieces, and that is what really sets this set apart, is the detail of the headpiece. There are two printed parts on the chest piece here, this bit here, and also on this bit here, and that's fairly common with Brickheadz to have these one-off printed pieces, which look good. They really add to the character. I'm not going to spend too much time on these because they are fairly simple build. It's just extremely time consuming with the headpiece. Merida doesn't have any legs. Well, the legs are covered up by the flat bricks there, but that's all good and well. Nothing wrong with that. And the headpiece, the face piece. Usually the face piece is like Moana here, if I can get off without breaking everything else. You usually have a 4x4 tile and then you put the flat pieces on top to create the face. But with Merida, it's not. I'm not going to take it off because it's all individual pieces, single row type work. Very, very different, and I'm assuming that is to be able to create more of the hair dropping over the face effect. Very good characters, time consuming to build, very fiddly with all these small pieces, but a worthwhile build. So there we have it, set number 40621, Disney's Moana and Merida. Great looking sets. Welcome to the collection. And until next time, bye for now.